Today we've got the pleasure of unwrapping the Lelit MaraX. Now again, like with any Lelit machine, they come very well packed. This is a double line box with foam inlays. You know that everything in this box is going to be carefully protected, and it needs to be. With the machine you get a range of accessories in a kit. This gives you nearly everything you need to start making a coffee. Some of the key features of the MaraX is really its compact form. But don't be fooled, it might be small, but it's a weighty machine which is really good on the bench and great to use. It's a really simple, smooth machine, and I think it will look good on any bench, particularly if you're looking for a space-saving machine. This machine in particular is black with maple handles, and it's got white writing. Now these machines are highly customizable, which is a great thing from Lelit. So you can change the handles, and all the knobs are customizable. You can also get this in a white and in a stainless steel. The machine comes with a stainless steel drip tray, which is coated in the matte black, which is really good. Not many machines have this level of detail. Now this is a heat exchange machine, so you get the benefit of like a dual boiler in terms of performance, but much more simple. You get a timber tamper, and that's your timber group handle. So this machine in particular will allow you to brew and steam simultaneously. You get a range of filters. And a filter system. That's your blind filter, which is going to help with your back flushing and your cleaning. This is the Lelit MaraX, built for performance.